Ideal for those with a reduced range of motion, shoulder pain, arthritis or limited dexterity, a seat buckle assist increases grip and reduces the uncomfortable twisting often involved in fastening a seatbelt. Our seat buckle assist device seamlessly integrates with your existing seatbelt to aid vehicle access for the drivers or passengers. Operating like a handbrake, the convenient lift and press to release function ensures the buckle won't accidentally detach, making journeys that little bit safer and easier. For more information about seat buckle assist, driving aids and other vehicle adaptations, speak to one of our experts by web chat, online inquiry or by phone. Vehicle Adaptations, enabling independence, mobility in motion.